people think that Six Sigma is not for me. Even companies, many companies do not know that Lean Six Sigma can produce magical results for them. Lean Six Sigma can be applied in any company. What is required is the appropriate mindset and the culture towards it. Right? So wherever there is a product and service, wherever there is a problem, Six Sigma is applicable. Tell me a company, which doesn't have any problem.
Hello.
Every company has got hundreds of problems. And so Six Sigma finds an application there. Wherever there is a output, there is a process. Wherever there is a process, there will be variation in the process. Six Sigma reduces the defects by reducing the variation. So what is this? We will understand, right? Six Sigma can be applied to all functions, disciplines, and business processes. So these are some of the companies. You can see some big brands. If you really wanted to associate with these kind of big brands, it's very essential that you understand their language, right? So tools like Kano model, quality function deployment, tools like project charter, prioritization metrics, SIPOC, and these are the tools which comes handy in the measure phase: control chart, process capability, measurement system analysis, gauge R&R, time series analysis, and all these things are highly used in these kind of companies. You can see Ford, Caterpillar, Amani, Flipkart, Amazon, and analysis phase tools, sampling techniques, hypothesis testing, descriptive statistics, correlation, regression. These are the tools, right? And these are used. These are the companies, few companies which makes use of lean tools like Kaizen, Fivers, Gemba, One Piece Flow, Heijunka, Zidoka. So you name the company. If I have not listed certain company, definitely I should be wrong. You can almost add all the brands in any company, any segment here, because Six Sigma is all about improvement. Six Sigma is all about problem solving. Six Sigma is a journey towards excellence. Everybody wants to be number one, right? We'll see that. And see here, this is a screenshot of search made in Naukri.com. The keyword is Six Sigma. How many jobs you see here? The website is showing. Can somebody tell me how many jobs are shown for the keyword Six Sigma? Do you see my screen? How many jobs are there?
Yes, sir. 32,000.
32,000 jobs are there. You can literally grab everything. All that required is you should be ready for it, right? And that is the objective of the program. We want to make you ready. If you don't understand all those we discussed right now in the first session, I'm really sorry, right? If you really wanted to be a winner, if you really wanted to be successful, you have to understand certain things and take action. You need to know some wake-up call comes at the right time, and you must immediately awake yourself and then understand. See here, this is the statement made by the CEO of Nokia, right? Steve Ballmer. When he gave a press meet, this is the exact statement he did. We didn't do anything wrong, but somehow we lost. Why Nokia lost? I think all of you should be knowing. Customer wanted Android, but Nokia denied to collaborate with Android. And as a result, they have been kicked out of the market. So failing to react to the expectations of the market can also become a reason for your failure. We should never become prey to these kind of situations. So I think all of you understand the reason why we have assembled here to equip ourselves, right? So if you are too busy for improvement, that you really don't know. Some people always, even some companies we have seen, they always say that they are too busy for improvement. They can't really have time to think about the improvement. They don't have time to train their employee. And if you are of such mindset, and probably the better results cannot happen. So Lean Six Sigma is all about providing you the right tools and techniques. See here, you can't make your long journey a successful one with a wheel in the shape of a square. Lean Six Sigma converts your square wheel into a circular wheel, thereby you reach your destination easily and you will reach sooner, right? And this thinking is very, very important. So now we are ready